Hey, hello students, here teacher Pedro. Welcome to another English session for 5th grade. And let's start with the topic and let's learn about some expressions to give directions. Okay? And for the topic of today, we have topic 19. How can I get to? Let's repeat. How can I get to? And let's pay attention. For this session, we have the next slides. In the slide, you are going to observe 4 things. Number 1, the question in color green. Number 2, the solution or the answer in color red. Number 3, a map. Okay? And number 4, the position or location of the person. Okay? And in this slide, we are going to start by observing 2 important things. The position of the person and the position also of the place that is in the question. In this situation, we have the question in color green that is, how can I get to the bank? How can I get to the bank? The person is here between Bishop Lane and Copper Street. The bank is here. In this situation, the person has to walk 2 blocks, okay, and the bank is on the corner, okay. Let's pay attention again. The person is here. How can I get to the bank? The bank is here. Walk 2 blocks, 1, 2 blocks, and the bank is on the corner. Okay, easy peasy. Question number 2. How can I get to the movie theater? Okay, the person is here again between Bishop Lane and Copper Street. The movie theater is here. So the person has to walk 2 blocks, 1, 2, and turn left. Turn left. The movie theater is next to the bank. Okay, a little more complicated. Let's pay attention again. How can I get to the movie theater? And the answer is walk 2 blocks and turn left. Left. The movie theater is next to the bank. Okay. Again, the position of the person is here between Bishop Lane and the movie theater is in this location. So it's walk 2 blocks and turn left. The movie theater is next to the bank. A little bit more complicated, right? Number 3. How can I get to the market? But the position of the person in this situation changed. The market is here, the person is here. Okay, how can I get to the market? So let's pay attention to the situation. In this situation is walk 1 block and turn right. Turn right. The market is next to the movie theater. Okay, the market is next to the movie theater. Again, how can I get to the market? Walk 1 block and turn right. The market is next to the movie theater. Okay, important. Now the person is between Bishop Lane and Rose Street. In the other, the person has between the Bishop Lane and Cooper Street. When here is between Bishop Lane and Rose Street. So pay attention to these details. Next and finally, how can I get to the bookstore? The person is again between Bishop Lane and Cooper Street, and the bookstore is here. Okay, So in this situation is walk one block, and turn left, turn left. Go straight on Lark Avenue, and the bookstore is between the hospital and the market. Okay, walk one block and turn left. Go straight on Lark Avenue. The bookstore is between the hospital and the market. Here we have more expressions. We have the expression walk, we have the expression turn left, we have the expression go straight on, and then the expression with the position of the place. We have 4 expressions. In the slide number 1, we have only 2. Walk and the position of the bank. In the slide number 2, we have 3. Walk, turn left, and the position of the movie theater. In the slide number 3 is also 3 expressions. Walk, turn right, and the position of the market. But in the number 4, we have 4 expressions. The expression of walk one block and turn left. Number 3, go straight on, and finally the location of the place. But finally, let's study some vocabulary. And for this session, we have the expression, how can I get to? How can I get to? En esta sesión les voy a dejar de tarea que analicen el video, que lo vean tanto como sea posible. Número 2, que traten de investigar qué significa la expresión how can I get to. Y por último, como les mencioné anteriormente, analizar las diapositivas y observar tanto la posición de la persona, el lugar que se les está preguntando en donde se encuentra ubicado, y luego usar las expresiones que hemos visto en las sesiones pasadas. And that's all for today, students. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.